I got a cup full of problems, so I can solve some bad bitches in my roster screaming and getting dollars. Pussy nigga, I got your girl, that's how the niggas talking. That's why you gotta forgive me like Ruben. Cause when I get this bread, all this shit talking, stopping, getting like Les Lucas, Slim Jim bitches getting on my nerve. Using Steve Urkel, made to slow me down, then I be yours, ballin' like Lord when she first met the nigga. This pussy so good, you better stick to adventures. Find downs like Jasmine saying, Daddy, I love you. This pussy all yours. Let's beat them pussies up. I got love in the club, fall full of that. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck because I don't give a fuck. Walk to Nick house, pull her daddy out, beat his ass, let him know if he don't do his job, he gonna get peeped out. They pay a top out, take all the bitches and beat them to a pope. I don't give a fuck. I got too much money to pull off. Fuck them booty busting bitches. When I get to my girl Nick, I deal with them booty busting bitches. Teacher stand player, keep looking at the fine bitches. Got love for all you dying bitches. Some day soon we chill. Tay hit me back and give me some of that pussy. That's what I want to say. But they making it hard for a real nigga to breathe, and disgust is all I see. Waiting till we fall in love. If we wasn't in love with each other, I don't know where I would be. YouTube, J.E., all love songs, cold nights, body right, you in some tights, sucking the dick right. I got a cup full of that, you know what? I don't give a fuck, and ballin' on a super level. Baby, tell me, can you keep up?